You can see this next collection also. It's going to be very beautiful, and you can see the neck area also properly bead work, pearl work, and it's going to come with again with a fully flare palazzo. This next collection also beautiful orange color. If you want to see the sample of it, you can see here also very beautiful orange color along with the neck pattern. If you want to order these collections, you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. Plus international shipping is available. Secondly, COD is available but within India. Hello friends, so today I have brought you very beautiful cord sets, and it's a summer edition because you know summer is coming. If you're watching this video from south, you know the summer has already started. So you can see this first collection, very beautiful cord set, and plus you can see the neck area also, it's properly hand worked, and secondly the best part of it is palazzo. You can see the fully flared palazzo with it, and you're going to get a lot of different design. If I talk about the combo packaging, you're going to get the combo packaging like this: large, XL, double XL, 3XL, same color, same design, 4 pieces. You can see this collection is going to be very beautiful. If you want to order these collections, you just have to do one thing. You can see this beautiful blue color along with the white contrast, and as well you can see the neck area, it's going to be bead work, and you can see the palazzo as well. You can see the fully flare palazzo with it. And if you want to order these collections, you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. Plus international shipping is available. Secondly, COD is available but within India. So you can see this next collection, beautiful black. You can say also black beauty. You can see the neck area, you can see the palazzo also. If you're liking these collection, if you want these collection for your boutique, for your shop, you can directly contact her, or you can directly video call us and choose your collection according to your shop. You can see this next collection also, it's going to be very beautiful, and you can see the neck area also properly bead work, pearl work, and it's going to come with again with a fully flare palazzo, and you can see the ajrak printing on the last. And if you want to order these collection, I'm telling you again and again, you can directly call us, WhatsApp us. International packaging is available, international shipping is available. You can see this next collection also, beautiful orange color. If you want to see the sample of it, you can see here also very beautiful orange color along with the neck pattern. You can see how beautiful it's going to look, very stylish, and it's suitable for office going ladies, for college going girls, and for housewives. If you have a database of ladies, this collection is just for you. You can see this next collection also, very beautiful, again in black beauty, and you can see the neck area also. And if I talk about the combo packaging, you're again going to get L, XL, double XL, 3XL. These all are going to be plus sizes. So if you want to order these collection, you can see the number. And if you're planning to visit Surat, you can see the description and you can see the address. You can directly come here, or you can call us. We have the pick and drop facility also. You can see this next collection. You're watching this collection? Yes, if you're watching this collection, comment down below from where you're watching this video, and you can see the neck area also. It's going to be very beautiful and very suitable for college going ladies, maybe college going girls. And secondly, if you want to own a boutique, if you want to start from home, so this collection is just for you. You can see next collection also, very beautiful, and again in black color. Plus you can see the golden contrast, and you can see the neck area also is going to be in a proper bead work. And secondly, again the best part of it, the palazzo. You can see very beautiful palazzo with it. Now I'm showing you the last collection, second last collection. If you want to see this collection, no, I'm not going to show you because I'm wearing this collection. It's going to be very comfortable for the women. You can see this collection is going to be very soothing, perfect for summer wear, and you have a customer if you have a high degree temperature in your area. So this collection is just for you. It's going to be in the rayon fabric. So if you want to order these collection, I have told you every process. So this is your channel. Like the channel, comment the channel, and share it, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.